You got a working strategy that kept falling. You see some profit, but in the end, you see loss in your deposit to the market chart. Sound familiar? Hey everyone, my name is Uche and I deal with new traders like this all the time. They grind, test up new strategies and yet still end up in the red. I'm 90% sure your loss come from money management mistake. And in this video, I will show you how to fix them. Watch till the end. Not only will I trade live to break things down, but also I will reveal secret to growing your account from scratch. Time to level up. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the simplest way to make money in the market. All we need two moving averages with periods of 50 and 100. When the yellow one, the longer period MA, is on the top, we are in downtrend and we only trade short. The opposite situation, the blue MA is on the top. This means the asset is an uptrend, guys. Here a few zones where this happening and where we could have made a good money. Now let's break down specific trading setup. Right now, I'm working the local price lows, the lowest point before a bounce. These are what interested us since the yellow MA is above the blue one's downtrend phase. Now we simply draw levels which will serve as our entry signals. It's a straightforward here. If there is a breakout, we enter. There will be a plenty of these setups, so we'll have options. Of course, it's better to enter on the strong price momentum like here, and it reduces the risk of loss. Let's look at an example of long entry. The blue MA is above the yellow one, and there is a breakout. Price move up and we make money. It's so simple that even beginners can do. Now let's find a moment where the MA lags behind the price. Here it is, a very common occurrence. Let's break it down. Here we had a consolidation breakout, a pause in the price movement, also a break setup, especially since the price bounced off it again. The blue MA crossing upward golden cross and happening much later. We could have only in trade only here. First, we wait for the confirmation and then we open the trade. Now let's go over a real trading example so you know when exactly to enter. Let's go. Conditions are here perfect, so I will show you. Here's the level we are watching for a breakout. Price is well above and we are in an uptrend, blue MA on the top. No doubt, this trade will be profitable, the asset should rally. By the way, today I'm trading with conservative money management, entering position with about 3% of my account balance. In other video, you might see different risk profile, but today I'm showing you how to trade as a beginner. It is simple, guys. The lower the risk, the better. From 2 up to 3% is a conservative solution that will help you protect your capital. Okay, the first trade is already closed. Taking a short break before entering the market again. As for high risk trade, let me warn you right away. You don't need that. While you are still learning and gaining experience, your goal is to survive. Financially speaking, of course. So don't rush become millionaire. Yes, I'm entering the market again, and let me explain what I meant earlier. It's all about math. It all comes down to math. If you enter the market with 20% of your deposit and take 3 lows in trade in a row, you already lost half of your account. To recover those losses, you will need more winning trade and your risk size will keep shrinking. Some beginners make things worse at this point. They either increase risk or go in all. That will destroy your account. Friend, at the start, you lack experience, skills, and emotional discipline. All you have is your capital, and if you reach too much of it, you almost seriously see a zero balance. That's what I meant when I said no to rush. Second trade is done. Time to switch short. Let's do it now. Alright, I'm in the right place at the right time. This is the perfect setup for a short. Let's break it down visually. First, we look at the levels. There is an almost complete breakdown of the current level while simultaneously breaking past the previous support line. The only possible move here is downward. I'm absolutely sure of it, especially since we're already in the downtrend within this descending channel of market. Let's return to math and our main topic. Imagine you are risking strictly 3% per trade. Every loss is insignificant relative to your account, just in tiny fractions. You can make 10 consecutive mistakes and still return about 75% of your deposit. See the difference? This is how you stay in the game, guys. Meanwhile, I'm taking profit again. Time to switch currency pairs and let's see what's interesting here. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explain might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and gives you signals with 22% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. Let's keep going. Another great opportunity to go long. The setup is simple, but I will walk through my analysis anyway. First and most importantly, the breakout. And of course, the blue MA is on the top. Nothing stopping me from taking buy position right here. Now let's discuss the downside of the conservative approach from 2 up to 3% risk. Your account will grow slowly, especially though for beginners starting with just $100 and fewer challenging by potential losses. Yes, trading this way feels boring at first, but you will appreciate the stability and most importantly, the confidence that trading is here to stay for you. After at least a month of trading, you can consider increasing your risk. Another winning trade. By the way, here's the way to quickly grow your starting capital. Join my Telegram channel where I post free signals. We have a very high win rate, so you will definitely profit. Just 1 week of active trading with me will get you consistent returns. It's absolutely worth it, buddy. Take actions. Meanwhile, I'm entering in the market again. We are in a price impulse, so I expect fewer upside. And if it doesn't work out, I will only lose those same 3%. Not scary, right? This highlights another advantage of conservative trading. Confident in your analysis but got unlucky with price movement, you can hedge situationally, increase risk to recover your losses. I'd almost welcome this trade going against us. It will be perfect live demonstrations. Currently, nothing going according to the plan, but you must always be prepared. The market isn't your friend, guys. Its goal is to take your money, so expect setback and always have a plan B. Okay, this trade is a raid. Time to show how pro handle their situations. Immediately enter long despite the red candle, and I'm convinced we'll see upside here. The asset remain above the key level. A bounce here is technically justified. Just a minor pullback like we have seen before on this pair. Stay focused and keep trading. Notice how trading small give you more flexibility. Imagine risking 20%, recovering will require committing nearly half of your remaining capital. There are multiple money management methods and I will cover them later, but for now, stick to the safest approach. Just stay in the game. Boom, target hit. time for results. So now you know there is no need to rush or go wild with risk on every trade. Instead, focus on trading with the smallest stake possible. That's the whole secret, buddy. Now it's your turn to take actions. Feel free to try out the strategy I showed or use your own. More trading system and free signals from me personally are waiting in the Telegram channel. The link is in the descriptions. If you want to grow within a community, I'm here waiting for you. As always, smash that like, hit the subscription, and throw your thoughts in the comments. I appreciate every bit of engagement, my friends. Catch up in the next video and take care. Good luck in the trading.